Okay, this is the Matt and Andy show. We are in the basement of 606 Davis, which is the space on the west side of our project. Take it away, Matt.
Okay, we're starting with our new water piping down here in the basement. As you can see, we have two existing 1-inch copper water services, which is kind of a little strange, but we're going to utilize both of them, bring them together into an 1.5-inch copper water pipe, and abandon all of this existing galvanized piping, which has definitely seen better days.
Probably needs an angioplasty times 2 by now.
I think so. You can see here at some point when they did the addition upstairs previously, they did a concrete patch on the existing masonry foundation when they brought in all the new gas service and the water service. So what we're doing is we're mounting our new 1.5-inch copper water feed to the side of the steel beam with some hangers, copper hangers, so we get no galvanic action on the copper pipe.
What are all these markings with the tape, Matt?
Oh, I went through the existing water and gas feeds that have been here, obviously, for quite a while, to determine what was what. We definitely have a mess of spaghetti. As you look down and you can see it all start to break apart. There was a Chinese restaurant here at one point and a full kitchen in the back, and they definitely had some convoluted plumbing, so we had to sort of pick things apart and figure out what was active and what wasn't, and so we know what we're doing.
Right, there's even some leftover knob and tube connectors from an electric service that was probably 75 years ago.
Original to the building, definitely. Yep. It's definitely a history of architecture and mechanical systems down here. You can see that they came back probably in the 50s and added these existing new steel beams and columns to support the original 2x12 joists, which are spanning further than they should be, and I'm sure had a bunch of sag and bounce to them. So they help to reinforce them.
Let's walk to the back and check out the what we're doing with the water service.
Sure.
I sort of got us off track as usual.
That's all right. So all these existing pipes are going to be abandoned and removed eventually, and everything will be new.
All new copper.
That's right. So you can see where the water piping kind of just devolves into a complete hodgepodge right here, and it's pretty much unusable. So our new water main skirts through all that.
And all this junk we're just going to take out and throw away once we got all the new stuff ready to go.
That's right. We're going to leave the existing building up and running because we have a couple tenants that we can't disturb, so we keep everything active till the very end, and then one quick switch and we're on to the new
Yeah, this whole pile of crap up in here.
And
that all goes.
This is interesting too. So our main comes here. We got a couple fittings we need to put on it, and then ducts under the steel beam. Watch your step. Runs along this wall, and then you can see the hole that was drilled through the masonry demising wall there, and that's going to pick up the other side. Yep. And then we run our riser up to our new work on the second floor on the other side of that wall.
We got a leftover grease trap from the restaurant. Okay.
So as you can see, we definitely needed some updates down here, and we're going to do it all. And the building will be better than new by the time we're done.
Better than